Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking Mercedes C220 CDI diesel AMG Sport. It's in fantastic condition with low mileage. As you can see, it's finished in a lovely graphite grey. It's got the front park distance control. It's the facelift model with the facelift AMG body styling, AMG diamond cut alloy wheels. It's got rear park distance control, a larger rear diffuser in the AMG Sport, C220 insignia. Boot area is in lovely condition. Does have the reverse camera as well. It's got heated front seats, electric mirrors, electric windows. Seats full leather. It's done 60,166 miles. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. Switch the media pack on for you. So we've also got paddle shift on the gearbox, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, DAB radio, satellite navigation, reverse camera, Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack, iDrive, different styles of drive in the car. Really is lovely condition. Heated seats over there. At DJH for full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.